Hey there, Facebook Land. Julie from Canine Rescue Connection coming at you. Guess what? We got another border run, back to back. This time we got 4 dogs coming from Mexico. Let's see, got this one right there. Oh yeah, yep, got that one there. And these are for Imagine Peace for Pups. And I got this one right here. Say hi there. Hi. This one's a little cranky, this one right here. But he's okay. Yes. Going around the horn here. And we got one more on the set over here. And there we are. Oop, there you go. Hi, little one. Yes. Alrighty, so again, these are for Imagine Peace for Pups. They're headed north, out of state, Oregon. I think they're Oregon. Yeah, so they're hitching a ride, so we're getting on the road. You know what? Because dogs can't drive, especially in a pandemic. Take care. Bye-bye. Hey there, Facebook Land. Okay, we've got a second transport out of today. Here we have a 130-pound Great Dane. This one right here. She's 7 years old. She's already going to a rescue in Colorado. And so we got her strapped in here. I got to break down all the other crates from the last transport. But she's in here, and we're heading to a boarding facility while she gets a ride tomorrow to rescue to Colorado. So Julie's signing off for now, you know what? Because dogs can't drive, especially big ones like Great Danes. Take care, bye-bye. Hey out there in Facebook Land, Julie from Canine Rescue Connection coming at you. You're not going to believe where we are right now. We are in the van, but we are on the back of a flatbed truck and moving. That's right, we are moving. We are in the van on the back of a flatbed truck. I guess, you know what, 130-pound Great Danes won't fit in the cab of a tow truck. So we're riding in the van. This is, you know what, I expect the unexpected in rescue. So Julie's signing off for now. You know what, not only can dogs can't drive, I guess my van won't either. Take care, bye-bye.
Alright, she's here. She's out of the truck. Aw, she's just super scared. She's not alligator rolling like they said.
No, she walked out of the car.
Good girl.
Can somebody just close the door so I should... Oh, that's right. I mean, she's clipped in there, but...
Alright, look at this. She's walking fine on a leash. She's good with the other dogs.